As things hot up, Spy Turtle needs backup. A clutch of hidden cameras. There are so many turtles, every spot has been taken. Eggs of previous visitors are batted away like ping-pong balls. Straight into the mouths of the vultures. But all is not lost. Beneath the sand, enough eggs will survive to produce the next generation. As the turtles' epic undertaking ends, they return to the sanctuary of the sea. The animal world is full of spectacle and wonder. But what's it like to be right in the heart of the action?